what's transformational healing about anyway? Hi, and welcome to Transformational Healing, your online source for herbs, herbal remedies, aromatherapy, and spiritual products, created to help earth spiritual seekers like you to return to a place of balance. I'm Dawna, founder of Transformational Healing. Many of you know me as an herbalist and an aromatherapist who have provided you with that herb or remedy or spiritual item that you were seeking. Some of you know me as a massage therapist and an energy healer who has helped you to heal yourself and get moving again. Then there are those of you who know me as a teacher of meditation, energy healing techniques, and various other topics to help guide you along your spiritual path. However you have stumbled across me, I am humbled that you have welcomed me to join you on your path for a little while. I founded Transformational Healing in 2001 to help people just like you to come back to a place of balance with nature, to be aware of your whole being, body, mind, and spirit, to have fun, to enjoy life, and to be here, now. In 2016, I decided to offer all of my products online in order to help more people. My original intentions are still the same. I'll be offering my classes online soon too. I've created this channel to help you learn how to incorporate herbs and oils, herbal remedies, and spiritual tools into your daily practice. I'll be sharing many tips and tricks that I have learned along the way from both myself, my teachers, and from my students. I remember how hard it was when I first started my journey, and I truly enjoy helping to guide others to find their way. There are so many wonderful spiritual paths in this world. My intention is to introduce you to some of them, as well as to help you with guided meditations, herbal healing, aromatherapy, and energy healing techniques, and to work with your own personal energy. Whether we are talking about products, healing, or ritual, I will always discuss several ways to solve your problem. To me, there is no right way. There is only the way that feels right to you. I strive to help you to find that way. Join the Transformational Healing Tribe by visiting transformationalhealingbydawna.com/tribe. The tribe will keep you up to date with new products, recipes, sneak peeks, and flash sales. You will also get our exclusive VIP discount to receive 20% off of your order. That link is below the video. It's time to shed your illusions, become your whole you, and fly. Are you in? If so, post below in the comments how I can help you come back to a place of balance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Until next time, sending you many blessings. See you soon.